What are the wrinkles in an aircraft fuselage? Ever seen an aircraft fuselage pop in and out like this? It's called oil canning and is usually caused by localized skin deformation, where a panel has lost perfect stiffness but is still structurally safe. You'll often see it around lap joints, cargo doors, repair doublers, and overbay skin sections. During a pressure change, the fuselage takes the load first. The skin can slightly relax or buckle, creating a panel that pops like a drink can. Older 737 Classics and early NG aircraft, for example, show more oil canning simply because older skin panels were not machined with today's precision. Most oil canning isn't dangerous. It's usually cosmetic and allowed by manufacturers. But it does need attention if the skin stays dented, the pops are loud, or you see paint cracking or smoking rivets. Oil canning is not automatically a defect. It's a known behavior of pressurized fuselage structures, particularly on older or recently repaired 737s. Follow for more real aviation engineering explained simply. Joe Tour Aviation.